Welcome to a journey of unparalleled luxury and elegance. Join us as we explore the top hotels in the world, where every detail is crafted to perfection and every stay is an unforgettable experience. Number 1. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Our first stop is the iconic Burj Al Arab in Dubai, UAE. Standing tall on its own island, this sail-shaped marvel offers a private beach, a helipad, an underwater restaurant, and opulent suites that redefine luxury. Number 2. The Ritz-Carlton, Tokyo. Next, we head to the Ritz-Carlton in Tokyo, Japan. With panoramic views of the Tokyo skyline, this hotel provides a luxurious spa, exquisite dining options, and a prime location near Roppongi Hills. Number 3. Aman Tokyo. Aman Tokyo is a serene oasis with minimalist design, a world-class spa, an indoor swimming pool, and breathtaking views of the Imperial Palace Gardens. Number 4. The Plaza, New York. Then we visit the Plaza in New York, USA. This historic hotel, located near Central Park, is famous for its elegant rooms, iconic afternoon tea, and the renowned Oak Room restaurant. Number 5. Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian, Bali. In Bali, Indonesia, the Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian is nestled in the Ayung River Valley. It boasts an award-winning spa, an infinity pool, lush gardens, and authentic Balinese experiences. That's all on Top 6 Accommodations list. Let us know which of these locations you have been to already. If you agree to our Top 6 list, do like, subscribe, and share this video. See you soon with more exciting top charts that adds value to your travel and adventure.